If you haven't been here before, welcome to the e-Business Boss channel. My name's Nick, and today I'm going to be telling you why we made the switch from Feedback Genius, who I absolutely loved for years, over to Feedback Whiz. So we didn't make this decision lightly, and there are a few very important reasons why we are now using Feedback Whiz. So this might well change, but at the time this video is recording, we are using Feedback Whiz. And it's because for us, they offer more tools that are going to be helpful for us as Amazon sellers. So this video is going to run you through exactly why we've chosen Feedback Whiz. I'm going to give you those reasons so that maybe if you're on the fence about which one you should use, you can maybe get a bit more information that's going to help you with that purchasing decision. Also in this video, I'm going to show you guys what our process looks like, what we're saying, why we're saying what we say. So the whole point behind your email follow-up campaign on Amazon is, as I'm sure you know, to try and get your customer to leave a review, and possibly a positive review, because at the end of the day, the way we stand out on Amazon is by having a high review rating and a good number of reviews. We want more than the competition. So yeah, this tool is really important, and to have an email follow-up tool, it really will take your Amazon business to the next level. So if you're doing online arbitrage or wholesale, unless the listing is yours, you probably won't want to bother, unless it's really important that you get more feedback on your Amazon seller rating. In my opinion, feedback can come naturally. I don't think there's any huge benefit. I wouldn't be spending money on an email follow-up tool like this unless I had a private label business, which of course I do. So there's a few key reasons really, and my colleague Sam has written quite a long review article, and it tells you step by step exactly why we've chosen Feedback Whiz to now use as our tool. So you can see the article on the screen now. I'll leave a link to that in the description below. Before you make a decision, read through that article, because it's going to give you all the detail, and then you can decide whether you're going to use it or not. In this video as well, I will give you a discount coupon. If you want to use Feedback Whiz, we can get you 50% off your first month. So if you do take that up, we will earn a commission, and it's only fair that I mention it to you guys, but you know what we're like. We only review the tools that are actually working for us, and the affiliate commissions help us keep this channel running. Appreciate all of your support. So yeah, if you've got any questions about what I talk about in this video, leave a comment below and I'll get back to you, or one of us will, as quickly as we can. So let's talk about Feedback Whiz. Why is it different? And for me, why is it better than Feedback Genius? So as mentioned, the whole point of these campaigns is to try and get you more reviews on your listing. But what's actually important to us when we're sending out these emails? So for me, I want to follow up with more of my happy customers. I want to have more conversations, or my customer service agents, for me, I want them to have more conversations with my customers. So I'm not sending them an email saying, look, you've received our product, please leave us a review, we'd love it. So that is all about you as a seller. And there's nothing there to give the customer any reason to leave a product review. So what we do with the first email that goes out, we will attach something of value. So usually we'll attach a free ebook or an extra guide to help them learn more about the product, or maybe give them some additional information. So we have some customers that solely leave a review because they love the free ebook we sent them. So let's say you're selling something to help people work out, let's say a skipping rope or something like that. You could attach a workout plan in the form of an ebook to your Feedback Whiz email campaign, so that with every order, your customer gets an email to say, your skipping rope's on the way. Please find attached a free workout guide to help you do X, Y, and Z. That's value, and your customers are going to appreciate that. So what we do is send 2 emails to each customer. Obviously, we sell in different marketplaces, so we have to set everything up in different languages, but it's quite straightforward. But we'll send one, give them something of value, and then we'll follow up in 10 to 14 days and just provoke a conversation. So we won't necessarily say, hi, how's your product? Please leave a review. We'll try and get them to respond to the email. That's the aim of the game. We don't want them to just get the email like everyone else and say, leave a review. We want to say to them, you know, how was your product? Was there anything that stood out for you? We'd love to hear from you personally. Please respond to this message if you have the time. Something like that. And anyone that responds, our customer service agents can start talking to them, build a relationship, and then potentially say, look, I'm so glad to hear you're happy. If you have the time, leave a review on Amazon just to highlight your honest experience. Not please leave a positive review on Amazon. Please relay your honest experience with this product. And majority of the time, people do it. So that's our main strategy. And the reason why Feedback Whiz is now better for us is because they give you some options that Feedback Genius currently don't. So, like I said, we want to follow up with more of our happy customers, but in order to not provoke people to leave a negative review, we also don't want to follow up with customers that aren't happy. So how does Feedback Whiz help you with that? Well, they give you options within your campaign to filter out and not send messages to people that maybe have done one of the following. So a customer that has left negative feedback, a customer that might have requested a refund, a customer that has already returned the product, and a customer that may have used a discount code. So one thing Amazon don't like, if you don't have the sales velocity, is loads of people leaving a reviews if they've had 75, 80, 90% off the product, because it looks like you're trying to incentivize reviews. So Feedback Whiz, which Feedback Genius doesn't at this time of recording, give you the ability to filter out those types of buyers. Or they certainly didn't when we made the decision to move over to them about 2 months ago. So that's the big thing. If you want success with your email follow-up campaigns, follow up with more happy customers. Don't follow up with unhappy customers. And the only way you can do that and automate it is use a tool like this to directly plug into Amazon and make sure you're filtering out people that we don't want to follow up with. So that is the basics of how you can be successful with your email follow-up campaigns. And those are the key things that made us really go over to Feedback Whiz. So if you do want to use it, you can use EBOS50 to get 50% off your first month. I'll leave details in the description below. So there's some of the main reasons why I like Feedback Whiz so much. One of the other things I really like to do with my email follow-up campaigns is I like to know and send different messages to repeat customers. So we have quite a lot of repeat customers because of the products we sell. You might as well. You might not be aware of it, but I bet there's people that come to you and buy your product and come back and will buy other products that maybe you sell. So if this is the case, for us, if we have a repeat buyer, we will send them a tailored, customized email to say, so glad to see you shopping with us again. We love to see our best customers. We love to speak to our best customers. What is it that's made you come back? And what do you like about this product? We'd love to know. So there, we're trying to provoke a conversation. They're getting an email that doesn't look automated because they're like, oh, well, they know I've been here before. So this is someone real. I'm talking to someone. And they will come back majority of the time. And they're normally really happy. If they're buying from you again, they're prime meat. Prime meat. Those are the people that are more likely to leave you a positive review because they're buying from you again. So we've increased our review rate. Quite a few of our products went from 4-star to 4.5-star within a month or so of implementing some of these campaigns. So it's really, really worth doing. So follow up with your best customers. Avoid sending emails to customers that aren't happy. And yeah, you can't really go wrong. Show the customer something of value in these emails. So your subject line on these emails is very important because that's going to dictate your open rate. So the more people that open your emails, statistically speaking, this is based on facts, the more people that are likely to take an action. So that might be responding to you, that might be leaving a review. But the first thing you've got to get them to do is open the thing. So in order to get them to open the email, try and don't be clickbaity. Say, I can't really think of anything, but, something in the subject line that just seems a bit spammy, avoid things like, the word free. Try and provoke their curiosity. So maybe a subject line like, here's something you might not have been expecting. Something like that. Something that's going to make them say, what's this? Try and stand out, be unique, be original, and you'll have success. So by implementing some of these tactics, and as you can see on screen now, we've actually got one of our email campaigns open rate to 52%. Yeah. 52% of the people we're sending these emails to are opening the emails. Do you know how ridiculous that is? We're proud of our email campaigns and they're working. Our review ratings have never been better. And the reason is I have been implementing the things I've spoken about. So subject line is very, very important. Provoke their curiosity, give them value. And people will open your emails and they'll do nice things for you because you're doing nice things for them. You're genuinely thinking about your customer, not just about yourself. I want a review. What's in that for them? So if you know or you've ran email campaigns before, I'm sure you'll agree a 52% open rate is ridiculous. So if you watch this and you thought, yeah, I agree with Nick, I think there's a good case for me to make the switch. It is a bit of a pain switching over all your campaigns. Sam did it here. I think it took him a while. But it's going to be worth it. This tool is very, very worthwhile. We are getting huge results from it. So if you want to use it, use the code EBOSS50 to get 50% off your first month. And also, why not take use of a free trial? So use the link in the description and you can do exactly that. Get yourself set up, see how it goes before you actually decide to go ahead and make the purchase. That's what we did. And we got everything set up, running, rocking and rolling. Then we turned it on, and within a few weeks, our reviews started going up. So, offer value, guys. Use the right tools, and yeah, as always, I love speaking to you guys. If you haven't done already, and if you haven't, I'm a bit disappointed in you. Subscribe to the channel. Well, why wouldn't you? We put out useful videos like this every single week, and you're going to learn something, or you just get to listen to me, which is great. So why not? Subscribe to the channel. Turn on the notifications bell and you'll be the first to know about useful videos like this every single week. You'll stay ahead of the game. You'll save money. You'll make more money, I think. Yeah. So, guys, it's always a pleasure. And there'll be another useful video coming from us very soon. Thanks for watching.